Now whatever happened to the girl from the corner? Low rocking, bebopping, popping and locking, doing her dance moves. That girl from the big city sound girl from the corner. Do you remember?
Shell toes, throw elbows. We used to kick it on that street corner downtown. She got a ticket, throwing down gross moves, yo. She was the sickest, finesse tricks thick, yo. I used to dig it, said this bebop style, yo, match nice with your flow. She said to me and a boy like so should go together. And so I wrote her a jam. I called up Lady DJ Bennett and said, play it for your man. And yo, I heard it on the radio. I told him so, I said I wrote it for my baby, yo. Now everywhere she goes, she got it playing in her headphones, dreaming of the day that I can hold her when she get home. And sometimes when I'm holding down the crowd, I know that she be proud, thinking my man's been doing it big, proud. Love is true, son, the world's still round. I break it down, big city sound girl. I break it down, big city round world. I thank the Lord every day I found her. A proud city, home of a dancer. I break it down, big city sound girl. I break it down, big city round world. I thank the Lord every day I found her. Proud city, home of a rapper.
I'm lovesick, she's swelling up my lymph nodes. My hype mode, she down in at the disco, yo. Tip